More than 50 eminent and progressive doctors of the region participated in a vibrant brainstorming session at the University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya, to understand issues and challenges to start the PA Sangma International Medical College and Hospital, an initiative of Ustm and ARD Foundation, Guwahati, yesterday. Welcoming the doctors, Shri Mahbubul Haq, founder, Chancellor of Ustm, said that he is looking for talented doctors from 3 different viewpoints, that is, patient care, teaching and research. He said that during the initial 2 years, the experts will be involved in healthcare seminars, workshops, conferences, training sessions organized by Ustm.
We have to equally focus on the research, because once accreditation issue will come, then they see everything of the university. So I cannot say we have a very good doctor and all the patients are coming, they become cured. Equally, we will be responsible to showcase and show our contribution in the field of research.